Tennessee topwater.
There we go. That's a pretty little fish. Dang.
Not a bad one. I think it's a 2 pounder. 1 pounder, 2 pounder. Yeah, he's on.
It's about
A pound and a half. There he is. Yeah.
Alright, he's going back.
Right, send him back.
You're gonna have to check that bait.
If the little ones don't get to it first. That's a decent one.
Oh, that's good.
There we go.
Yeah, there's a. I can get the smallmouth.
Is it?
No.
No, no. All right, let's see if anything changes here. All right, we're hung up on the first cast. There we go. Caught something there. Got me a little one.
I'll be done.
Got him.
Be careful, we'll get them.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the pliers for him. Cause he's hooked in the side and in the mouth.
Well, that Marquita keeps him.
Slap this GoPro back on right before I catch a big one here in a minute.
I like to see that catfish you was talking about.
Yeah. It sounds like he got a little air in his belly.
Well, good fish on it. It's worth it.
It's
to
worth
have
it.
on.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth
You
it
get
to have
that
it on.
that one.
Get you at 3, 4, 5 pounders.
Yeah.
It's worth it, man.
Oh, I know.
You say, look at you.
There we go.
Dang, you got one.
Yeah, pounder.
Dang, he's a pretty good one. How we done?
There we go.
He's a 2 pounder, ain't he? Yeah.
Pound and a half. There we go.
Ah,
He hit it softly though. I didn't even know how big he was.
he's pretty.
He's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it. And this is where they were this time last year. Was more in November. We caught a good one right here.
You're exactly right. You caught a good one.
Yeah, I did. It was like 4 or 5 or something right here off this rock wall.
Somewhere right in here. Seemed like it was in November. I don't know.
It was me and you were out here on Thanksgiving break, right before Thanksgiving. And I think that was the best fish I caught of the year. It was right in November.
Yeah.
It made no sense.
It's just fall sometimes. Thank you much. Thank you.
There we go.
Very good.
Yeah, he's not bad at all either.
Yeah. Another little spot again.
Now he got a rough tongue. And he got sharp teeth.
His lines go up and down a little bit.
His lines are going all the way up his body too. The other one stopped about right there.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. Nope, he jumped off as a little one.
Dang, that ain't a bit.
Oh, you got a good one. There, that's why I said when you go a little bit longer.
That sucker.
You got him. Yeah, you got him good. Hold on.
Pretty little spot. That's a largemouth there.
Yeah.
See how these lines do this?
Yes, I see it.
See, and them, I think them stripes or them other ones, they don't do that.
Yeah.
Straight.
He got a smooth tongue. He made a good splash.
Boy, he fought like a dead blind fight.
He did.
A big one. I thought it was a lot bigger.
Oh, got him. He called it. Look at, he got off.
Look at that.
I saw him get off too, and I dove the net down. Whew.
How about the boats? Is it all right?
You're about to just bump against this log. When he flopped right there, he kicked it out of his mouth, and I dove the net under him.
What's that, a 4-pounder?
Maybe 3.5, 4. There it is. Not the 5 we were looking for, but
It's 3.5.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe.
It's showing 0.
Yep, 0-0. He's feisty. Ain't
3.
Ain't no
12.
way.
See, 216 would be 3.
Ain't no way that's a
213.
2-pound bass. Get up right here next to it.
We'll just,
There he goes. Man, when he did that flop right there, I saw the bait go this way, and when I saw the bait go this way, I pushed down under him and picked up.
he wasn't gonna last long.
He was fast.
He was fixing to get off. But
Yeah. Oh yeah. He threw the bait to the side when I netted him.
There's a smallmouth. There's a little smallmouth.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Please subscribe and click the notification bell.